This video, I want to show you how to create your own library. So far, you have seen that we have been using Eagle's library. As you see, libraries. If you go to libraries, so far, we were able to get Adafruit and SparkFun. Now, what if I want to create a library and put all the components that I need there? It's just for, it will help you to find the components that you need easily instead of going through different libraries. If you create your own library and put all the components you need usually there, then it will be easier to work and that will save lots of time. In order to do that, go to File, New, Library. So this is a library I just created. In order to make it to appear in your libraries list, of course, you have to save it, right? So press on Save and call it a name like My Library. Okay, so this is now my library. As you see, there is a device, footprint, 3D package, and symbol columns. These are some jargons you have to know. Footprint. What does it mean, footprint? Footprint means the physical space that a component will take on the board. So if you have a board, footprint. So footprint means that, for example, you have an IC chip and you want to know on the board the space that it takes, you have to specify that, right? So you do that here in footprint section. Symbol is the symbol of your device, and for example, LED, and symbol and footprint together will make a device. 3D package is sometimes you want to see the 3D representation of your board, which we don't care about this for now. So we are going to see how I can add a device to my library, and you will see its footprint and symbol. So how can I add a device here? Of course, I have to get it from the library that are already there. So I go to, for example, a SparkFun, and I go to SparkFun LED, the one that we work with, and I go to LED General, this one, Generic, LED Generic, then right click on it and click on Copy to Library. Now close it and press on Yes. Now this is my library that I created, right? Now if you open it, you see LED appeared here. Now this is a library I created and I added LED to my library. And the only thing is that the dot is not green. So if you want to use this library and want the components to appear in search, just press on right click, press on use. And as you see, it becomes green. Okay, so this is how you create your own library. Now, if I double click on it, this will appear. Now, the device is LED, the symbol is LED. This is the footprint. Footprint shows different kind of LEDs with different footprints, meaning the physical space that they take on the board. 3mm, 5mm. And if you click on them, you can see all the specifications. So this is how you create your own library.